The Queen met with her son, Prince Charles, just days before he tested positive for COVID-19, a palace source has claimed. It was announced the Prince of Wales, 73, tested positive for COVID-19 on Thursday. A palace source then claimed Prince Charles had been in contact recently with the Queen, 95, just days before receiving a positive test result. The Queen met with her son on Tuesday, they added. Prince Charles held an investiture on that day at the Queen's current residence of Windsor Castle. The source added the monarch is not displaying any symptoms of the disease. Prince Charles is now self-isolating, Clarence House said on Twitter. The announcement came just before he was expected to appear at a royal engagement in Winchester. This is the second time the Prince of Wales has tested positive for the virus. He contracted the disease in March 2020, when he experienced mild symptoms but otherwise remained in good health. The Prince of Wales is triple vaccinated, confirmed Clarence House. The Queen, who is thought to be fully vaccinated, would not have to self-isolate unless she tests positive, but if she was in contact with Prince Charles 48 hours before his positive result, she will be advised to take daily lateral flow tests for a week. Russell Myers, royal editor for the Daily Mirror, tweeted, Buckingham Palace will not confirm or deny that the Queen has contracted coronavirus after meeting Prince Charles, who has tested positive and is isolating, this week. On Wednesday evening, Prince Charles and Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall, attended a reception at the British Museum, alongside Chancellor Rishi Sunak and Home Secretary Priti Patel. The event was to celebrate the work of the British Asian Trust. Prince Charles, under government guidelines, must now self-isolate for 10 days, but this will be cut short if he returns 2 negative tests on days 5 and 6 of his self-isolation. Clarence House added the Duchess of Cornwall tested negative for COVID-19 on Thursday. The Duchess of Cornwall commented her husband was finding the situation a bit tiresome, during a visit to Buckinghamshire. Willie Hartley Russell, High Sheriff for Berkshire, relayed that Camilla had revealed Charles's thoughts on the positive test during her visit to Thames Valley Partnership. Mr. Hartley Russell said, she said, yes, unfortunately he had tested positive again. I said he must be building up lots of antibodies. She said something like Hess finding it a bit tiresome to have got it again, but she said it in a light-hearted way.